Now we have to put the servos in the fuselage, and here I've got one good servo from JR, and I've put everything on one side. I'm going to show you on the other side what we do. We begin by putting a rubber grommet onto the fastenings, and this rubber sees to it that vibrations from the motor don't enter the model. Then we have these brass eyelets, and we put them on the bottom. They are on the side where the servo is sitting, not on the side of the screw. This is so that the servo is in fact free floating in the rubber, and the eyelet is just holding it in place. The best way to put these brass eyelets in place is to use a little tweezers or something like this, and just grab the eyelet and push it in so that it starts, and then I go into the eyelet and push it harder. This one doesn't seem to want to go. It's a funny shape, and then push it like this. Now the brass eyelets are in place, and they will sit on the fastening for the servo. Here I've got a servo for the rudder. Here's another one for the elevator, and then there's one for the throttle, and the throttle cable inserted. Now I'm going to take the cables to length, and for that I have to neutralize all the control surfaces. The clevises are in place, and the cables go all this way to the servo. Now I have to see to it that the length is correct. Sorry about this shaking. I do that by marking on the orange cable with a little felt tip pen about 1/2 centimeter from the clevis, and the same here. Now I know where to cut. I have to shorten this a little bit, and then screw the brass into the cable, so there's about 1/2 centimeter from the cable to the clevis. Now I've done this and connected the servos. The rudder and elevator servos. Here's the throttle servo, and all the cables ready. The servos are in place, and the control surfaces are rigid. Now I can mark in the instructions that step number 46 is finished.